This is the decking I had. Now it's after 7 years. This is what you end up with. Rotten timbers. We already dug this one out. So we're going to put paving slabs. Unless of course you put decking with a parapet like this one. It'll be fine, but that's what you end up with. But the cost is too much. Deck boards are much costly. This is the rest of them. All rotten like anything. I might save some of these. Time to cut the ends off. This one here I treated with bitumen. You see, it's the best one out the whole lot. Didn't think it's rotten at all. Even the screws are stuck in there, you can't get them out. Yeah, so when you decide to do deck boards, think twice. How long do you want it to last? How long are you going to live here or live there? See the concrete blocks? They're the same place I put them, they haven't moved. So if you want concrete, it's best, everlasting. Thanks for watching.